The Galaxy Watch 8 will come in two sizes, 40mm and 44mm. Both models feature a durable aluminum armor frame with sapphire glass protection. The 40mm version has a 1.34-inch display, while the 44mm variant offers a slightly larger 1.47-inch screen. Battery life varies by size, 325 mAh for the smaller model and 435 mAh for the larger one. Both versions include 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, paired with a comfortable silicone sport band. Color options include graphite and silver. In France, pricing starts at €379.99 for the 40mm Bluetooth version and goes up to €459.99 for the 44mm model with 4G connectivity. Compass Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, timeless design with a modern core. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic brings back the fan-favorite rotating bezel and comes in a single 46mm size. Built with stainless steel and sapphire glass, it weighs in at 63.5 grams, making it the heaviest of the lineup, but also the most premium in feel. Despite its larger body, the display remains at 1.34 inches, as the rotating bezel takes up a good portion of the surface. It packs a 445 mAh battery, 2 GB RAM, and 64 GB of internal storage, double that of the standard Watch 8. It also comes with a hybrid premium strap. Available in black and white, the Watch 8 Classic is priced at €529.99 for the Bluetooth version and €579.99 for the 4G model in France. Mountain Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025 built for the bold. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025 is Samsung's most rugged and feature-packed smartwatch yet. It features a 47mm titanium body, sapphire glass, and a large 1.47-inch display. Despite its size, it weighs slightly less than the Classic at 60.5 grams. This model boasts the largest battery in the lineup at 590 mAh, along with 2 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. It comes with an extreme sport band and supports additional strap options available online. One standout feature is its 86 decibel emergency siren, making it ideal for outdoor adventurers and safety-conscious users. The Watch Ultra 2025 will only be available in a 4G LTE variant, priced at €699.99 in France. Color choices include titanium blue, gray, white, and silver. Magnifying glass tilted left shared features across all models. All three smartwatches share a powerful set of features. Super AMOLED displays with up to 3000 nits brightness. 5nm Exynos W1000 processor for faster performance. Wear OS 6 with One UI 8 watch and Smart Galaxy AI features. Advanced health and fitness sensors including accelerometer, altimeter, gyroscope, light sensor, geomagnetic sensor, PPG heart rate, ECG electrocardiogram, BIA body composition analysis,